Do you want to understand how people are interacting with your online business? With Google Analytics, you can do just that. In this complete guide, you will learn why you need Google Analytics for your business, how to get started with Google Analytics 4, what it is, and how to get your Google Analytics 4 set up by TDM Marketing today. Google Analytics 4 is designed for the future and offers insights into more than just website traffic, such as search engine performance, demographics of visitors, and engagement rates. With this information, you can optimize your site, track performance over time, and make informed decisions for growth. Taking the time to understand and set up Google Analytics will provide key data to inform your business strategies and help you to achieve success. Why you need Google Analytics for your business? TDM Marketing uses strategies for our clients based on leveraging the full potential of digital media sources to capture the attention of a target audience. It combines different marketing methods such as Google Business Profiles, Google Analytics, Google Ads, SEO, content optimization, social media promotion, and paid advertising to create synergy within a particular marketing campaign. However, having a great strategy is not enough to successfully carry out a digital marketing campaign. Without having a clear and comprehensive view of the performance of different marketing channels, it would be difficult to identify which channels generate the highest ROI or what the next action should be. This is when Google Analytics comes into play. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides businesses with transparent real-time data. It helps track website visitors' activities, collect data from multiple sources, track how people interact with your website, track conversions, and more. Moreover, it allows you to adjust your website accordingly to gain maximum leads and conversions. Furthermore, businesses can leverage the data provided by Google Analytics to do segmentation, so they can reach the right audience at the right time and with the right message. On the other hand, having access to such a big amount of data can also be overwhelming. To get the most out of Google Analytics, businesses need to develop effective analytics strategies and create customized reports, which require time and effort. In addition, when working with advanced tools from Google Analytics, it's important to have competent resources in-house or outsource the task. In contrast to the manual measuring of marketing performance, Google Analytics is an AI-driven tool that allows businesses to evaluate all aspects of their marketing efforts considerably faster. Similarly, setting up goals and tracking them becomes much easier because data is collected and analyzed automatically. As a result, businesses can identify the strengths and weaknesses of their marketing campaigns and maximize ROI. Consequently, Google Analytics is essential for businesses that want to optimize their digital marketing campaigns and compete in the marketplace. How to get started with Google Analytics? TDM Marketing strongly advocates utilizing tools like Google Analytics to track engagement metrics and better understand customer behavior. With Google Analytics in place, business owners are able to gain valuable insights into website traffic and impact, landing page performance, conversion rates, and more. For those looking to get started, here are the key steps to success. Firstly, create a unique Google Analytics tracking code and place it in the HTML of each page on your website. This informs Google Analytics whenever a user visits specific sites, allowing businesses to measure, track, and analyze traffic from various sources. Furthermore, set up and configure views inside your Google Analytics account. This is an important step in being able to segment and analyze data more effectively. Views are filtered segments of a website's data that allow marketers to gain targeted insights into the performance of a specific page. On the other hand, create custom audiences inside Google Analytics. For instance, a business can segment and categorize their customers based on unique attributes, such as age, location, activity, browser, device, etc. Combined with other dimensions, such as pages viewed or time spent on a page, they can create audiences consisting of those who are more likely to convert and those requiring further nurturing. Similarly, custom goals can also be created to measure a website's progress toward meaningful objectives. This allows us to determine which channels, campaigns, and conversion points drive better returns on investment, ROI. Finally, businesses can set up event tracking to measure engagement on websites or mobile apps. As a result, they are able to compare engagement across different elements such as downloads, videos played, or pages viewed. This helps us determine which campaigns, channels, and platforms provided higher conversions. Consequently, this allows them to make data-informed decisions to improve the ROI of their campaigns. In summary, with Google Analytics in place, TDM Marketing provides business owners with the tools needed to track and monitor the performance of their campaigns, target and segment audiences, as well as gain valuable insights into customer behavior. When is Google Universal Analytics obsolete? July 1, 2023, the sunsetting of Google Universal Analytics marks the end of an era for website and app analytics. This means that Google will no longer support or provide updates for Universal Analytics properties after this date, making it obsolete. Universal Analytics, which will stop processing new data on July 1, has been the go-to analytics tool for businesses and marketers for years, allowing them to track user behavior and conversions and measure the success of their digital marketing campaigns. However, with the advancement of technology and the ever-changing digital landscape, Google has introduced its upgraded analytics platform, Google Analytics 4. GA4 offers more advanced tracking capabilities and a comprehensive view of user interactions across platforms and devices, providing businesses with a deeper understanding of their audience and their journey. Therefore, the sunset of Universal Analytics signifies the need for businesses to transition and start using GA4 to continue gaining valuable insights and make data-driven decisions for success in the digital world. What is Google Analytics 4? Google Analytics 4 is a powerful all-in-one platform for web and app analytics. With it, business owners can monitor customer behavior and engagement with their products or services and make well-informed decisions about their marketing strategies. TDM Marketing is a powerful partner that can help you to use Google Analytics 4 to measure and analyze the effectiveness of different marketing campaigns. The new Google Analytics 4 enables our team to create campaigns that are goal-oriented and tailored to their specific business objectives. It includes a range of features to measure the success of each campaign, including on-site and off-site analytics, keyword performance tracking, A/B testing, and real-time customer data. Moreover, TDM Marketing provides businesses with the insights they need to maximize their ROI and optimize their campaigns for greater success using cross-platform analytics. Google Analytics 4 provides businesses with a comprehensive view of their website or app's performance. It provides insights into user behavior, including visitor trends, behaviors, and interactions. In addition, business owners can use this data to create and optimize user journeys, personalize content to ensure maximum engagement, and track conversions to measure the success of their campaigns. This can help them gain a complete understanding of your customer's journey on your website and apps. TDM Marketing combined with Google Analytics 4 will enable a business to measure the effectiveness of its campaigns. Business owners can work with TDM Marketing to perform A/B testing to optimize the performance of their campaigns and measure the impact of any website changes. Furthermore, TDM Marketing also helps businesses to make smarter decisions and grow their business based on customer data gathered from Google Analytics 4, such as analyzing the customer journey, assessing customer segmentation, and tracking customer behavior. TDM Marketing and Google Analytics 4 reports present a powerful combination that offers businesses the insights they need to optimize and grow their campaigns. With this tool, businesses can extract data from Google Analytics 4 to develop more effective strategies that will provide them with the highest ROI. Consequently, TDM Marketing combined with Google Analytics 4 provides a business with the insights they need to gain a competitive edge and grow their business. Get your Google Analytics 4 set up by TDM Marketing today. TDM Marketing offers a comprehensive Google Analytics 4 setup to maximize your business's ability to track, analyze, and optimize returns. The Google Analytics 4 platform is designed to help businesses develop a greater understanding of their customers so that they can grow revenue and maximize returns. With TDM's team of industry-leading professionals, it is easy to set up and integrate Google Analytics 4. We offer tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of each business so that they can ensure the highest return on investment and grow your business. We specialize in taking the data from customers across devices and platforms and combining it with intelligent insights to power powerful decision-making, allowing you to make smarter business decisions that can drive more meaningful results. Since Google Analytics 4 utilizes advanced data collection tools to segment and target audiences, you can optimize conversion rates and maximize return on investment. This new version of Google Analytics uses an event-based data model that gives you a complete view of the customer journey across multiple platforms to help you make granular decisions in your funnel, build a unified user journey across your business, and gain a complete understanding of your customers across the custom events that Google provides. TDM Marketing's new GA4 services are designed to be easy to use and efficient, making it simple to use GA4 data, track the analytics, and start optimizing any company's digital marketing campaigns. TDM Marketing also offers your business different reports built to keep up with a changing generation of analytics. Google Analytics 4 is a new multi-touch attribution model for capturing the full customer journey across all channels, which allows companies to measure the impact of their marketing campaigns. This allows marketers to track their campaigns on websites and applications using web and app data, and identify opportunities to optimize and improve performance as well as convert those customers likely to purchase. With these powerful tools alongside your existing analytics data, you can leverage better insights and develop strategies that better align with your goals. TDM Marketing can set up an array of engaging audiences and tailored segments while using advanced web analytics tools to better analyze your customer data. TDM's team of experienced analysts can look for patterns and trends in user behavior to create better targeted campaigns. They can also develop customized dashboards that enable users to track the performance of their campaigns and gain insights into customer behaviors. Moreover, TDM Marketing works with brands to improve the customer experience, creating deeper connections with customers and increasing customer loyalty. We specialize in creating user experiences that are highly personalized, increasing engagement, and driving conversions using your data stream, as well as creating loyalty rewards and loyalty programs. All of these features make our services an invaluable resource to any business that wants to optimize its Google Analytics for setup and get the most out of its customer data. Therefore, with TDM Marketing's wide range of services, businesses can get their Google Analytics for setup up and running quickly and efficiently. We specialize in creating tailored solutions for each company, and their team of experienced professionals can help businesses get the most out of their data. Get your Google Analytics for setup by TDM Marketing today. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google Analytics is designed to be an important tool for any business in order to make informed decisions and measure the success of an organization. With features like insights into customer behavior, data on website performance, automated reporting, and the latest features from Google Analytics 4, businesses can easily track and monitor progress. By getting the proper setup and structure, businesses can take control of their analytics platform and make data-driven decisions in order to increase viable outcomes and not rely exclusively on cookies. Ultimately, these changes will help businesses stay ahead of the competition and reach success in areas like revenue growth, customer acquisition, and lead generation, all with the help of expert assistance from TDM Marketing.